cash register, carbon copies, the satisfying catching of the drawer popping open. There's a certain charm, sure. But let's be honest, in today's world, efficiency is king. Especially if you're juggling a bustling brick-and-mortar store alongside your online empire. That's where Shopify POS comes in. It's a powerful tool that lets you manage your in-person sales seamlessly, all within the Shopify ecosystem you already know and love. But what if you're new to the point-of-sale POS game? What kind of gadgets and gizmos do you actually need to make Shopify POS work its magic? Well, settle in, folks, because today we're decoding the hardware mystery and showing you exactly what you need to turn your phone or tablet into a sales powerhouse. First things first, there are actually two ways to approach Shopify POS hardware. The minimalist might say, hey, all I need is my phone and the app, and they wouldn't be wrong. Shopify POS offers a fantastic feature called Tap to Pay on iPhone. With just a compatible iPhone and contactless payment enabled, you can transform your phone into a basic payment terminal. It's perfect for situations where mobility is key. Think pop-up shops, farmers markets, or even just taking payments on the go. But what if you crave a more traditional setup? Here's where things get interesting. Shopify POS is designed to be incredibly flexible, which means you can build your hardware arsenal piece by piece to suit your specific needs. Let's break it down into the essentials and explore some handy add-ons. The undisputed king of any POS system is, of course, the payment reader. This nifty little device allows you to accept credit cards, debit cards, and even contactless payments like Apple Pay and Google Pay. Shopify offers a variety of readers, some wired, some wireless, so you can find the perfect fit for your setup. Next up, we have the receipt printer. While receipts might seem a little old school in our digital age, they still offer a valuable layer of trust and professionalism for your customers. Plus, they're handy for returns and exchanges. Shopify offers a selection of receipt printers, some even with built-in cash drawers for a clean, all-in-one solution. Speaking of cash drawers, these trusty companions are a must-have if you plan to accept cold, hard cash. Shopify offers a few drawer options, ensuring there's one that seamlessly integrates with your chosen setup. Now, these are the core components, but there's a whole world of add-on hardware waiting to be explored. For businesses with a lot of products, a barcode scanner can be a lifesaver, streamlining your checkout process and reducing errors. Similarly, a label printer can come in handy if you also do a lot of in-house shipping. And don't forget the iPad stand. Transforming your tablet into a stationary workstation with a sleek stand keeps things organized and professional looking. Of course, with any hardware setup, compatibility is key. The good news is that Shopify offers a comprehensive list of tested and recommended hardware right on their website. This ensures smooth sailing when you integrate your chosen gadgets with the Shopify POS app. You can start simple with just your phone and the Shopify POS app, but for a more robust in-person sales experience, building your hardware setup piece by piece allows you to customize it to your specific needs. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just dipping your toes into the retail world, Shopify POS offers a powerful and adaptable solution. So ditch the carbon copies and embrace the future of point of sale. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling.